The great Filipino dream. Owning a house is no longer an impossible dream. Through Grand Monaco, a reputable multi-million peso real estate company, tutulungan kang magkabahay. It's very easy to own a house in any of Grand Monaco's projects in 12 prime and strategic locations in Quezon City, Antipolo, Pasig, and Parañaque. And yes, all properties of Grand Monaco are flood-free. No more worries. No more fearful anticipation of flooding during the rainy season. More importantly, Grand Monaco's prices are the most competitive in town. Value for money. And Grand Monaco values the people who live in their communities. It not only builds communities, it promotes a sense of community. Pagtutulungan. So here are 3 easy steps in owning your dream house. Talk. Tell us what you want and we will intently listen.
Gusto ko yung area na mas maganda yung view.
Gusto niyo po ba, sir, malapit sa gate?
Siguro, probably.
Okay. So what about these units, sir?
Yeah.
Okay na po sa inyo yan? Sir, ganito po, habang nagko-compute po ako, fill up na lang po tayo.
We can visit the place. Ask any questions, anything under the roof or outside the house. We're here for you.
So lumalabas, we have terrace, no? Meron din tayong fence. Kung yung buyer gusto na yung complete.
Decide. This is a big decision, perhaps a life-changing one.
Bare po ba or standard?
Standard.
An important part of the decision-making process is taking into consideration the reputation of the person and company responsible for building your home.
Gumagawa kami ng mga pabahay na ito ay quality at affordable. This is one way of helping our economy to create more jobs, helping our countrymen to generate more employment.
Alam niyo po ba kung bakit maraming bumibili ng Monaco? Dahilan sa kanyang very affordable price. Na ang range lang niya ay nasa 1.9 to 2.5 million. Ito ay masasabi nating number 1 investment.
There are options to choose in financing and great discounts for cash buyers. We offer 20% down payment without interest for 2 years. Live. Once you decide to get your dream house through our listening and support, live your dreams and really, really live in your own Grand Monaco house. You are a most welcome addition to our community. Indeed, owning a Grand Monaco house is within reach. Many Filipinos are now savoring the joys of their new Grand Monaco home.
Walang ibang hahanapin pa.
Grand Monaco celebrates the great Filipino dream. A Monaco for Filipinos. Tutulungan kang magkabahay.
Grand Monaco Homes, tutulungan kang magkabahay.